we're going to be unboxing the RetroFlag GPi Case 2W, and it's a Raspberry Pi case compatible with the Raspberry Pi Zero, 0W, and 02W, which is what I have. It has a 3-inch 640 by 480 pixel LCD screen, stereo earphone support, and a built-in 2800 mAh battery. We have the charging cable, which is a USB-A and plugs into the case. We have a screwdriver with 4 tiny screws. We got a user manual. We have the RetroFlag GPi Case 2W, which has directional pad, 2 additional buttons here, select start, the Y and X and BA buttons, 3-inch screen, the volume button, where the battery goes. And we have the contrast here, and this is where we're going to plug in and charge up the battery. We have the mini stereo where you plug in your earphones. Now on the back we have this part of the assembly that looks like a cartridge. And this has been the RetroFlag GPi Case 2W.